Today we're going to review 6 Snapseed editing techniques to edit your smartphone food photos. I'm Leigh Loftus of We Are Loftus, and I'm here to teach you all about using your cell phone in shooting your food in restaurants and hotels. If you're into that, subscribe over here, click the bell, and follow every Tuesday for our new videos. So now I want to walk you through and introduce you to a different application. It's actually free to download and it's called Snapseed. It gives us a bit more capacity to do more with our photos. I'm going to go through the exact same tools that we did on our iPhone, and then later on I'll introduce you to a few more techniques that I showed you on Instagram as well. So go ahead and open the exact same image, so download Snapseed, and let's pull in the muscle image that we edited before. Once you have it open, once you have your screen open, at the very bottom you see your toolbar. So go ahead and click Tools, and in the top left we're going to click Tune Image. That's the most similar comparison that we have to the iPhone editing technique. So I just want to take you through it here in case this is better for you. So I'm just going to scroll up and down through these. So at the beginning we start with brightness, contrast, saturation, ambiance, highlights, shadows, and warmth. Same thing as before. I don't usually work on brightness or contrast. I'm going to use saturation, highlights, shadows, and warmth. Ambiance is similar to brilliance, but it doesn't give me that same result and same effect, so I tend to skip over it because it's just not as complementary to the food photos as I would like it to be. So let's go ahead and go into our highlights. And like I said before, I thought they were a little bit bright, so I'm going to bring them down. And to do that, you just drag your finger to either side of the photo, and we're going to bring it down to about a 10. Go back into your toolbar, open up the shadows. Same thing, I want them to be a little bit darker so that we get a sharper feel from this photo and a little bit more contrast. So bring those down, and you can always press your finger and hold on the image itself to see the before and after, and so you can see me doing that now. And then lastly we'll go with warmth. So this one to me is a little bit cool, and when you bring your dishes towards window light, it does get a little bit cooler because it's more of a blue light than we have in our restaurants. So I'm going to add some warmth to make it a little bit more inviting. It feels like a summery dish, and I landed about 25 there. So once you're done with your image and you like it, go ahead and hit the check mark in the bottom corner, and you're ready to export it. So at the very bottom right-hand corner, you click Export, and what I recommend is you hit Save Photo. There's two options, save or save a copy. I recommend doing save. It's going to overwrite the one that's in your iPhone, but either in the iPhone or Snapseed, when you open the photo and hit edit, you can revert it back to the original. So it's not doing damage to your original file if you come back and you're like, oh, what was I thinking? That's awful. I need to change this. So go ahead and hit save, and it will prompt you. It's going to say modify. You can go ahead and say modify. The benefit of that is you're not saving 2 files. Why are you saving 2 files? You don't want 2 of everything throughout your archive. It's just messy and hard to organize. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it below to let us know you like it. Comment helpful if this was helpful to you. And feel free to send it to your friends, other followers. We really want to help everybody start taking better photos with their phone because it's the tool that we have.